She began her life long before we appeared. She was there to prepare the best home for all of us. She is our Mother Earth. She is beautiful. She is rich. She has a warm and open heart. She gives us food when we are hungry. She heals us when we get hurt. She is the air we breathe, the water for our thirst, the shelter to protect us. She gives everything she has. She provides a place that we all dream about. The place that
clean water, lots of vegetable and fish.
A lot of flowers, a lot of birds.
Blue skies, pollution-free.
Peace and harmony.
what we have done to her in return. Instead of making peace in our own home, we make war and use nuclear weapons to kill each other and also poison the environment and life on Earth. We fill our planet full of rubbish. Every year on its own, Australia produces around 41 million tonnes of rubbish. Now, in the North Pacific Ocean, we even have the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, which is bigger than the size of Northern Territory, which is killing our wildlife every minute. We waste up to 50% of our foods, and those foods end up on landfill, while 13.1% of the world's population, almost 925 million people, goes hungry. Every year, 15 million children die of hunger. With great effort, we exploit natural resources such as forests, water and soil. Every year we lose 12 million hectares of soil, leading to desertification, meaning we lose 20 million tonnes of grain production, affecting 1.5 billion people globally. Around 4.5 million species live in tropical forests. Deforestations mean destroying the green lungs of the earth, destroying home of wildlife and disrupting water cycles. We lose 15 million hectares of forest each year. Deforestation is responsible for up to 20% of all carbon emissions globally. Deforestation is one of the main causes of global warming and changing geography. Air pollution, with smoke and toxic chemicals from factories, transportation vehicles and household equipment, kills 3 million people annually and badly affects our natural environment. Greenhouse gases found in air pollution affects the Earth's ozone layer and are the main causes of global warming. Water covers over 70% of the Earth's surface and is one of the most important resources for humans and the environment. Water is home to more than 2.2 million species. We contaminate our water sources with sewage and wastewater, toxic chemicals from industry and agriculture, oil spills and rubbish. Water pollution affects all organisms living in these bodies of water or using that water. Water pollution kills 2.5 million people and causes billions of deaths of plants and animals every year. It also destroys wildlife habitat and breeding grounds for a long time. Thanks to us, our wildlife are dying. At least 10,000 species go extinct every year. In the past 150 years, our activities have pumped enough carbon dioxide into the atmosphere to raise its levels higher than they have been for hundreds of thousands of years.
If we keep doing like this, I don't think humans can last for long.
Destroying the life of our children.
The human collective mind can't be changed, and that's what's doomed the earth to tragedy.
Mother Earth gets hurt badly. She feels a great pain. We can hear her cry through the melting ice caps of the Earth, which raise sea levels and change the living conditions on Earth through the floods, cyclones, hurricanes, storms, and other natural disasters. We can hear her cry through the extreme bushfire in large areas and several uncontrolled diseases which rise up from the tragic climate change. She gave life to us. Now we are taking her life. But something not everyone thinks about, the result will be our death, not hers. This planet has been here billions of years before the human race existed and will be here billions of years after humanity is long gone. It is not Mother Earth that is threatened. It is the human race that is at threat of going extinct if it continues its absurd activities.
We need to do our bit for the planet. We need to recycle, we need to reuse.
Minimize usage of plastic bottles.
I plant more trees and I use public transport.
Research the companies I buy from. If they're screwing over the planet, I don't buy from them. I don't support their projects.
What else do? We protect and grow more trees to reduce carbon emissions. Australia protects forests in over 500 national parks, accounting for almost 4% of land area. A further 6% of land area is protected in state forests, nature parks, and conservation reserves. Australia also provides parks with green trees throughout every city and town in Australia. We rescue and conserve animals. We save water, save energy, and reduce carbon dioxide by using public transport more often. Using solar energy where feasible for water and space heat. Sydney started Earth Hour to save energy and raise awareness about the need to take action on climate change in 2007. It became an international event in 2008 with more than 100 countries now participating. We use some types of rubbish to produce clean energy. We increase, reuse and recycling. We reduce waste by such methods as smarter buying, well-managed garbage, and use food waste to make compost. Clean Up Australia Day is the great campaign to promote cleaning up the local environment. And you, what are you going to do today? Remember, we only have one home.